Let's take a look at the board. This time we're supposed to find the derivative of the sum. Okay, this is my sum. But before I'm going to do derivative, I'm going to rewrite this primary derivative. So this is y is equal a x to the fourth plus b x to minus 1 plus c. So I have y prime is equal constant a times the exponent 4x, exponent minus 1, 4 minus 1, plus constant b times the exponent negative 1, x, exponent minus 1. And derivative of constants is equal 0. So I have y prime is equal 4a x to the third, and I have minus b x to negative 2. Okay, I'm going to convert the negative exponent to positive, so I have y prime is equal 4ax cubed minus b over x squared, and this is my answer to this problem.